What is going on, investors? In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the stocks that I've purchased recently, because during the point of maximum financial opportunity within the stock market, I have been buying, while fear, panic, and even in some cases anger, definitely towards Palantir, there's been a lot of anger. I've been buying, all right? I've been buying during the points of maximum financial opportunity. And I feel like we are starting to transition from the anger/depression phase within stocks to now maybe hope is starting to be restored. While if we look at the crypto market right now, I mean, you can argue the crypto market has been through the thrill and the euphoria phase. And even in some cases, you can argue there's been a lot of complacency, especially online with the likes of Dogecoin, all of these poo coins as well. People have been YOLO investing into these altcoins, and they've been complacent. And now we're starting to see quite a significant pullback, especially in the likes of Bitcoin. And I feel like a lot of investors, crypto investors, are now starting to fall within this anxiety phase. And then, of course, even possibly denial, because Elon Musk recently hasn't been the most favorable character within the crypto world. And he's provided some evidence that he feels supports his argument with his recent tweets. And you can argue maybe some Bitcoin investors, maybe some cryptocurrency investors are in denial phase. I don't know, but from where I'm sitting, it seems like the complacency phase, the euphoria phase is over. And the crypto market is starting to transition into the anxiety phase. While you can argue maybe there's a little bit of hope. Maybe a little bit of hope is starting to return to the stock market. So I've been buying at the point of maximum financial opportunity. And let me show you what I have been purchasing. So first up, I picked up more Celsius, okay? We absolutely crushed Q1 hands down, okay? Revenue growth, we saw 77.4%, which beat by $7.93 million. And on the day, we saw the share price jump by 10% in pre-market. And as a result of this brilliant quarter that we had a price upgrade, okay? So one of the analysts covering the stock upgraded the price target to $92 from $74. And the B. Riley analysts reiterated a buy rating on the shares again post Q1, with substantial under penetration in the convenience store channel and potential to expand into other European countries. Guys, this is key, because last time I spoke about Celsius, there's a lot of investors that were saying that, oh, maybe they've missed the boat. Celsius are at the beginning stages of their growth phase, okay? They haven't even expanded into Europe. They're still dominating and taking a lot of the market share from the likes of Red Bull and the likes of Monster Energy Drink, because these guys are in the fitness side of the energy drink sector. And if you do a little bit of research about that particular side of the beverage industry, you'll find that the fitness industry is the most lucrative, okay? So Celsius are at the forefront of the fitness side of the energy drinks sector within the beverage industry, and we haven't even expanded into Europe. I mean, we are currently now in third place on Amazon. Again, third place to the likes of Red Bull and Monster. But we are quickly gaining market share. And these analysts have recognized it. Hence, they have upgraded the price target. And if you look at the share price action, we have had ample opportunity to load the boat, okay? So I was loading from the low to mid 40s, so around $43, $44, $45, I was loading the boat. And right now my average, I believe, is $46.17. If you want to know what I'm buying in real time, you need to join my Discord group. I share all of my research, all of my buys, when I sell as well. And I did make a recent sell, which seems to be paying off right now. But that's beside the point. If you do want to know what I'm doing in real time, the Patreon link is in the description below. So let's move on. So the next stock that I purchased recently was a company called Sonos. Ticker symbol is SONO. And these guys, again, absolutely crushed it. They're in the high-end luxury speakers space. Okay, so they make speakers for indoors. And also they recently had a partnership with Audi to provide the sound system in one of Audi's new electric vehicles. Absolutely love this stock. They completely crushed Q2 earnings. We saw revenue growth of 90% from a year-over-year perspective, and adjusted EBITDA was 31 cents, which was 45 cents above the consensus. And similar to Celsius Holdings, we saw a price upgrade, and this was from Morgan Stanley. So Morgan Stanley bumped Sonos price target to $47 after another beat and raise. Okay, currently Sonos is trading at $33 a share, and with this price target that Morgan Stanley has set, it still leaves for considerable upside. But yeah, it's very good when you see companies beat on earnings and then analysts come out, especially analysts of the caliber of Morgan Stanley, raise their price targets. So I'm very, very happy with this company. And if the price does go lower, I'm more than happy to add to my position. Next up was GoPro. Again, GoPro absolutely crushed Q1. I've shared my full research and my full analysis of GoPro's results with my Discord. And again, what more do you want? A 71% year-over-year revenue growth to $204 million and a surplus of 3 cents profit versus the break-even consensus estimates. Okay, GoPro.com also crushed it with revenue increase of up to 224%. To $82 million, representing a 40% of total revenue. I've told you guys already. I've told you about GoPro. I'm not going to spend too long into it. If you want to check out my previous GoPro videos, you're more than welcome to. But GoPro is transitioning to a SaaS business model, and it's probably the best thing that GoPro can do right now. So not only do we have dominance within the hardware space, especially from a moat perspective with the GoPro brand, we are also now crushing it in the subscription side of the business. And do not sleep on GoPro. I think it's the most undervalued stock in my portfolio right now. I mean, you're looking at a price to sales of 1.54, guys. 1.54 price to sales. Are you kidding me? The market cap right now is only $1.5 billion, okay? Unbelievably undervalued. And the forward PE is only 12. I don't know how much more I can tell you guys about GoPro, but it's one of my favorite investments right now. Balance sheet is also improving. We're sitting on $296 million in cash versus $281 million in debt. Not the best from a debt to equity point of view, but from a current ratio point of view, 2.39, brilliant, with a book value of 1.38. Okay, again, positive free cash flow. GoPro, absolute winner in my opinion. So the next two stocks, you guys are already well aware. You know, I've done multiple videos about Tattooed Chef, and yeah, I absolutely picked up a lot more of Tattooed Chef. We did see incredible opportunities when the share price dropped to $15 and $16 a share, and I was loading the boats. And to give you guys an update, I have reached out to the investor relations team, and I'm currently in talks with Sarah Galetti. Hopefully we can get her on the channel. And I'll keep you guys updated with regards to that. But again, we had a brilliant Q1 in my opinion. I've written up a full report of our performance in Q1. And if you do want to get your hands on that report, you have to join the Discord. So last but not least is PALANTIR. Ticker symbol is PLTR. I mean, PALANTIR gave us a gift, okay? I told you guys, if PALANTIR was to ever go into the teens, I'm coming out of retirement. Because I did a video talking about I'm all in, all right? I'm in PALANTIR. And, you know, my average at the time was about $24, and I was really happy with my position. But in that video, I did say, if PALANTIR was to go into the teens, I'm coming out of retirement. And not only did it go into the teens, this thing tanked. It tanks to $18.20 a share. I mean, I loaded the boat. I came out of retirement, and now it's neck and neck with Tattooed Chef. I can't lie, I did go overboard. Let me show you my split right now, actually. So I'll share it with my Discord. This is currently my split right now. So my high growth portfolio is sitting at 32.39% is Tattooed Chef and 32.26% is PALANTIR. So yeah, you can tell I'm extremely bullish on these two companies. Depending on how the market performs, I am going to boost up my Celsius, Sonos, and GoPro position. And maybe that will have an effect on this percentage right now, but I'm loaded up in Tattooed Chef and PALANTIR. They are my top two highest conviction companies. And yeah, absolutely love them all. So that's all I have for you in this video today. Let me know what companies you've been buying up during the period of maximum financial opportunity. Comment below all of your recent purchases. I would love to see what you guys have been up to. And with that said, please make sure you do your own due diligence. None of this is financial advice. And if you gained any value from this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest video content. So with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.